first thing you have to do is select a design as a master. When you fill in the size, it will automatically scale according to the aspect ratio. The generated banners will have corresponding names of the sizes. When you change anything in the master, after the banners are generated, you still have control on all of the designs and its elements. You can even drag in new elements or change the text in any way. In the next example, I will show you that it is also possible to detach an instance from the master. This is handy for specific design changes in other formats. Because you already have all the design elements, it only takes a few steps to adjust them. This is why I set it up in 3 different aspect ratios. It makes it easier to convert your design into more specific dimensions. In the last example, I demonstrate how the text can be changed in a specific design, but keep the positioning and size linked to the master. This comes in handy when you need to change any call to action or other text, specifically to any size. Want to save time? Start using our banner generator today and streamline your design process.